So you might have noticed at some point, really only maybe 12 hours after the fruit video went up, that it disappeared. It got taken offline, not by me. It just disappeared. Apparently, you can't just offer up a prize and then give that prize away legally and make it worldwide. That said, we are still giving some stuff away, and there's a secret contest too that you might have entered. And if you enter that secret contest, I'm still giving away a prize for that as well. Because the fruit contest was really only open for 12 hours, essentially, it was supposed to be open much longer. I'm going to modify grand prize $300, and I'm going to give it to Andreas, Guatemala City. I really appreciate the behind-the-scenes view of everything. I'm sad that more people couldn't enter, but Andreas, you did a really incredible job. And then I'm also going to be giving away a few $100 prizes as well. I was kind of scrolling through everything here, and for whatever reason, this shot kind of felt like a Steve McCurry shot when I was scrolling down, and it was funny because he actually captioned it with that. So I'm gonna send $100 to you in India. So Guatemala, India, and I'll pick a few more from the fruit contest as well to send out. And then because the other contest, the secret contest, was only open for approximately, I'm not even gonna say half as long as I wanted it to be. I'm going to give away one of the prizes, and then I'm going to keep the other prize to give away, and we'll figure out how to do that in a more legal way going forward in the future. But maybe follow me over on Instagram at Taylor Jackson, and I'll probably have to announce over there when I'm doing new giveaways. I don't think that I can be doing them quite easily, or as easily as I'd like to on YouTube here. And the winner of that is, actually I had it on my computer up over here, Brian Jake Barriga. I can't pronounce that correctly, from Philippines. So yeah, thanks so much for everyone for entering. I'm going to figure out how to basically take the remaining prizes and roll them into a new contest for everyone at some point. Apologies that it didn't last as long as we all wanted, but hopefully the lucky winners enjoy their prizes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for being here, and we'll figure this out together, and moving forward we'll do some more giveaways in a more legal way. Thanks for watching, and tomorrow or potentially Wednesday I'll be back with another video for you guys.